Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on another mega development that's coming to Hanover. Now, LCH Developments is in the process of buying some land in Hanover. It is beachfront land along with two other lots beside it. And LCH Developments is the company that's building the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. So chances are they are going to be putting up some sort of, I would guess probably a hotel development or something like what's there, like what is going on at the Pinnacle. And LCH Developments, they also built Harbor City Mall in Montego Bay. But in Hanover, there's no reason to put a mall there. It would be because it's on the beach. One of the parcels of land is a beachfront property. Then chances are it's going to be a hotel or another residential development like the Pinnacle. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they did. So guys, what you think would work well in Hanover right now? Remember you have two massive hotels over there. You have the Princess Resort, which is to open very soon, 1,000 rooms, with another 1,000 to open after that. It's a 2,000 room resort. You have Grand Palladium, which has two hotels in Hanover, in Lucy, and they're building two more hotels there, spending over $1 billion US. So it's that area is it's a growing tourist area, and I think this land that they bought is in Hanover. It's definitely in Central in Han. So I think it's in Hopewell. But because it's beachfront property, then you know it's either a luxury residential development like the Pinnacle, or a hotel development. So guys, what you think? What do you think would work well there, based on what's going on in Jamaica now, re-tourism, and what's going on with the construction of all of these massive hotels? What you think what you think would be a good investment for there? Alright, so we're going to go through the article that gives more information. Cabinet has given approval for the Housing Agency of Jamaica to divest three parcels of land located in Hopewell, Hanover at a cost of $850 million. The parcels, which include one beachfront and two contiguous lots, will be divested to LCH Developments Limited. This was disclosed by a minister without portfolio in the Office of the Prime Minister with responsibility for information, Honorable Robert Morgan, during the post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. He said HAJ will be allowed to retain the full proceeds of the sale in relation to the beachfront as well as the other two parcels. So that is what that's what the release said. Now, as we said, we're not sure exactly what they're going to do with it, but based on the developments that this company does, and they do some massive developments. I mean, the Pinnacle is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. Four tallest buildings, actually. Massive development. Mega development. Um, I think it's going to be either a hotel or another luxury residential development. So guys, tell us what you think would work well there. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.